Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to second PUC Accountancy online classes. Students, in the previous class we have studied about problem number 5, right? From the that is regarding income statement, preparation of income statement or statement of profit and loss. Now let us move on to problem number 6, page number 105. Page number 105, problem number 6. I'll read out the problem and in the meantime we'll analyze and we'll solve the problem. From the following trial balance and other information, prepare statement of profit and loss for the year ending 31st March 2018 as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. Particulars, debit and credit clearly given it is. So let us see what are the items that are required for us to prepare statement of profit and loss. That only we should take. Other things we have to ignore. If there are any items related to balance sheet, we are not supposed to take that figure because we are not preparing balance sheet here. It is not asked in the problem, correct? Yes. Now let us take up one by one. Land and buildings balance sheet item, forget it, that's all. Trade receivables, that is like bills receivable, debtors and bills receivable, trade receivables, balance sheet item, forget it. Trade payables means creditors and bills payable together, it is called trade payables, forget it, balance sheet item. 10% debentures, purchase date is given. When the debentures were issued, not purchased, when the debentures were issued, the date is given 1st April 2017. So you need not have to worry about debentures, but you have to worry about the interest part. When the debentures were issued at 10% interest rate on 1st April, that means at the beginning of the year, for the full year, the debenture interest should be calculated, and debenture interest is a finance cost. Finance cost, remember it. Clear? Then sales, that is revenue from operations, first item, correct? The net purchases, cost of materials consumed, then wages and salaries, no doubt, employee benefit expenses, correct? Contribution to provident fund, again it is given to provident fund, is given to employees, so employee benefit expenses. So for this you have to prepare a working note, isn't it? Note number 1, you have to prepare employee benefit expenses, you have to write wages and salaries, then contribution to provident fund, you have to add it together, that should be shown under expenses, employee benefit expenses. Then plant and machinery, not required, balance sheet item. Goodwill, again intangible asset, should be shown in the balance sheet, not required for us to prepare income, and that is a statement of profit and loss. Let us prepare statement of profit and loss. I have already drafted here, so do it fast. Dash company limited, whether name is given, name is not given, I think. Yes, name is not given. Statement of profit and loss for the year ending March 31st 2018, for the year ending March 31st 2018. Draw the columns, particulars, note number, amount in rupees. There are 2 columns in amount in rupees. First column is figures as at the end of current reporting period. Second one is figures as at the end of previous reporting period. Previous reporting period, no figures, so no worries, simply open the column, that is enough. But you must show the column in the examination, remember. That is the format actually. Under companies Act, isn't it? So revenue from operations start. Let us start now. Revenue from operations, how much? That is 15 lakh. Correct? 15 lakh. Friends, turn the page and see page number 106. There are adjustments. We didn't go through this. Correct? In exam, sometimes it happens in the same way. You will not turn the question paper, read till next question number starts. Till then, read. So be careful. Turn the page and see whether anything is there. Like here, see, now the same thing happened. If you solve without incorporating this, then our answer will be wrong, isn't it? So here, tax rate 30%, then depreciation of plant and machinery at 10% and amortization of goodwill by 24,000. Though we are not including plant and machinery here and goodwill, but the amortization and depreciation charges on these should be entered as expenses. So for the both together, depreciation and amortization expenses, you have to prepare a note. Clear? Yes. So here next one is other income. Other income. How much it is? Other income, nil. Take the total, 15 lakh. That is called total revenue. Total revenue. Total revenue, 15 lakh. That is third. Underline this. Now fourth one, expenses. Expenses. Under that, cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Goods sold 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Then finance cost. Finance cost. Isn't it? That is debentures. Finance cost how much? 1 lakh. Sorry, only 30,000. 30,000. 10% of 3 lakh, I think. Yes, it is. Finance cost. Yes, debentures purchased on the first day itself. 10% on 3 lakh. %, 30,000. Then employee benefit expenses. Employee benefit expenses. Employee benefit expenses, how much? 60,060. Then employee benefit expenses, let us give a note. Notes to account. Notes to account. Notes to account. Under that, employee benefit expenses. Employee benefit expenses. Expenses. Under that, This is note number 1. You have to write here particulars, then amount in rupees, 2 amount columns you should provide. Remember, particulars, amount in rupees, 3 columns you should provide. Clear? Make sure of it. Under that, write one by one. Wages and salaries. Wages and salaries. Wages and salaries. How much? 50,000, inner column, because there are 2 items, right? Contribution to provident fund, 10,000. Contribution to provident fund, 10,000. 60,000. Over. Depreciation and amortization expenses. We will prepare one more working note. Depreciation and amortization, I have already explained regarding this. And amortization expenses. Depreciation and amortization expenses. Under that, depreciation on plant and machinery, plant and machinery, how much? 2 lakh into 10%, right? 20,000, inner column. Then amortization of goodwill. Amortization of goodwill. Amortization of goodwill. How much it is? Amortization of goodwill. They told 2,40,000 value of goodwill, and straight away given 24,000. So no need to calculate. Write the same amount. Write the total amount in outer column, 44,000, right? Yes, that's all. Now, let us continue your employee benefit expenses. After that, depreciation and amortization. Depreciation and amortization. Amortization, how much? 44,000. 44,000. Yes, that's all. Now, write the total of the expenses, that is called total expenses. How much it is? 11,24,000, correct? 11,24,000. 11,24,000. Then profit before tax, 6th one, not here, 6th one. Profit before tax, that is PBT, profit before tax. How much it is? Write the difference, this minus this, isn't it? This is a total expense. Now, profit before tax, 3 minus 6. Sorry, it is 5, it is not 6. This 4 is 5. So, 3 minus 5. How much? 3,66,000. 3,66,000. then tax at the rate of 30%, tax at the rate of 30%. How much? 30% of 3,66,000, that will be 109,800, 1,09,800. So difference will be profit after tax, PAT, that is 2,56,200, 256,200. In your question bank, answer is given as 2,50,200. It's wrong, remember, it's wrong. So here write profit after tax, after tax, that is PAT, profit after tax. That's all. So that is what that is how you have to solve this problem, right? Yes. Now let us move on to the next problem, problem number 7. Understood this problem? Very simple. 15 lakh revenue we got, total expenses we have calculated 11,24,000, difference is 3,66,000. This is profit before tax, charge 30% on that, we will get 109,800, deduct it, I will get 2,56,200. It's very simple problem, right? Yes. Let us move on to problem number 7 now. Yes, I will take up this problem in the next class. It is because it is a balance sheet problem. So it is given under this only. Problems on preparation of balance sheet is given later, but this problem is included under statement of profit and loss. But actually they told prepare balance sheet of Jindal Company Limited, correct? So I'll take up in the next class. Take down assignment. Solve the same problem as your assignment problem and submit assignment on time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.